Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl in the sim, the Who Dat teacher. Yes, I am back to prepare you for the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend here in July 11th through here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Want to give a great shout out to y'all guys for a sold out event. So I'm helping your instructor out and I'm helping you out, uploading these dances that you can just knock off of your playlist, okay? So students, go to class, but come to this channel to learn those dances we're gonna do at the NOLA Southern Experience. Real easy. This line dance is not man enough. There's only two parts. It's a wall dance, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. And at the end of this video, click on it, on the link, and we can dance together to the music. Yes. So if you're located in the New Orleans area, you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So let's go, guys. So there's two parts. So basically, the verse, we're gonna do part 1, and the chorus, we're gonna do part 2. Let's go. So it starts, my back is gonna be turned. We're gonna walk to the right, walk to the left, walk to the right, walk to the left. And we're just gonna add a tap, okay? So we're gonna go right, left, right, in, out, in. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, in, out, in, left, right, left, in, out, in, right, left, right, in, out, in, left, right, left, in, out, in. That's what we do. Right, left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right. In, out, in, left, right, left. In, out, in, right, left, right, in, out, in, left, right, left. In, out, in. Now, we're going to add, just tap back 4 times. So, right tap left, left tap right, right tap left, left tap right. Came back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each time you tap. So when you come back right, right tap left, left tap right, right tap left, left tap right. Okay? So let's add that. We're almost there. We're almost finished with part 1. We only got one more part to add. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. Right, left, right, in, out, in. Left, right, left, in, out, in. Right, left. Right, in, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right tap, left, left tap, right, right tap, left, left tap, right. So we did that 4 times. We walk right, we walk to the left, walk to the right, walk to the left. That was 4 times. We came back and tapped 4 times. Now we're going to do a lockstep up 4 times. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 4 times. Done. We're done with part 1. Yes. So each time the verse, sing the verse, that's what we're going to start with, okay? So let's put part 1 together. 5, 6, 7, walk right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. There you go. All right? So whenever they sing the verse, that's what you're going to do. Now, we're going to get to the chorus. The chorus, we're going to do all 4 walls. We're going to do a rocking chair and do a quarter turn to the left, rocking for 4. Here we go. Rock up. It's 1, 2, back 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, rocking chair. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, rock 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. rotations. So, rotation 1, you do part 1. Rotation 2, you do part 1. Then you do part 2, which is all 4 walls. You come back, you do part 1 again. You do part 1 again. Then you do part 2 twice, because she sings the verse twice, okay? Then you go and do part 1 again. Then you do part 2 twice. That's the verse extended. And she actually sings the verse throughout the whole song. So she does it twice. Part 2. Rock up, rock back. She do 2 full rotation, all 4 walls. And she sings the verse again, the chorus again, but instead of her doing part 2 3 times, she goes back to the top, which is part 1. So again, part 1, part 1, part 2, part 1, part 1, part 2 twice, back to part 1, part 2 twice, and the dance ends with part 1. And that's not man enough. I hope y'all guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you subscribe. Also, check out, this is the instructional. Let's dance together, guys. Want to thank you again for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. Every video I upload up until NOLA Southern Experience will be played at the event. So guys, get ready. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.